All right, so now on page 46 in our notebook, we are going to zoom in on a very specific type of polygon called the triangle. So a triangle is, let's open up this chart right here and let's start here. So a triangle is a polygon with 3 sides and 3 angles. The sum of the angles are always 180. I would pause the video, copy down equilateral, isosceles, and scaling, and then we're going to draw a picture. Okay, so an equilateral triangle has 3 equal sides. And so what that's going to look like, to the best of my ability, all of these sides have the same length, roughly. Isosceles has 2 equal length sides. So these 2 sides are going to be the same. And then a scaling triangle has no sides that are the same. Something like that. All right, so now let's go back and pick up some other things with triangles. We have this definition, similar versus congruent. Similar, I've written down here, same shape but different size. Congruent means the exact same shape and the exact same size. So similar means that one has been zoomed in or zoomed out. Congruent means they're exactly the same. And so with this heart, I've got a pentagon there, but the heart, if it's a similar heart, it's going to be the same shape, so both be a heart, but mine is a smaller size. Or I could do a larger heart. So those hearts are similar, same shape, different size. Congruent has to be the same shape and the exact same size. So my basketball needs to be the same size, roughly. You can use your imagination. Pretend those are exactly the same. And then we've got, specifically with triangles, this idea of similar triangles. So corresponding angles are congruent and the ratio of the lengths of the corresponding sides are equal. So if 2 triangles are similar, it means that their sides and their angles will match up. So for instance, side AC is going to be proportionate to DF. And side BC is going to be proportionate to EF. And then lastly, side AB is going to be proportionate to ED. Proportionate meaning that they've all been multiplied by the same number, or they may be completely equal. They may be multiplied by a proportion of 1. And then we've got our angles. And so angle A lines up with D. See how they both have these 2 tick marks on them? Angle C lines up with angle F. And then lastly, B with E. And so that's what similar triangles mean. We will do some examples later on, like actual math examples. Right now we're just going through and picking up some definitions.